1. This is really difficult too.
Oh yeah!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? You okay?
Okie dokie.
So, are you up to some sweets? Today we're going to make sweets with these slimes. We have some fluffy slimes in here. Green one, pink one, light pink, and yellow. These are the fluffy sands, slimes, and this is the buttery one. Alright, so let's start. Okay. Oh look, this looks like candy floss. Look at that. Wow. Wow, it really looks like candy floss. Isn't this really cool? Wow. Alright, so let's make a box with candy floss.
Oh, wow!
Candy floss.
It's beautiful.
Wow, amazing. But it won't stick. Well, actually, because it gets really, really sticky, it won't stay like the candy floss. So I'll just make something else. All right. Sweets shop, something sweet, something sweet. What do you like, Gigi? Think of something sweet. What about cookies? Let's make some cookies. Okay. I'll make 2 large cookies, 2 big ones,
Oh yeah!
and 1 small cookie. So this will be the large one. Okay, so we have the dough. Here is the dough. And we need some tiny pieces of chocolate or candies or something else. All right, I'll use the pink slime. I'll just make some tiny little bit. Just like that.
It's beautiful.
Okay, this looks nice. Okay, one is ready.
Bravo! Bravo!
Oh no, what's happening to the cookie? Let's place the cookie right here. Okay. One cookie.
I love it.
And now another one. Let's make the dough. So we have a large one. Let's make a medium one in here. Okay. And now a small cookie. A big cookie, a medium cookie, and a small one.
Good job.
That looks cute! Okay, what else? Something sweet, something that we really, 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 really like. What about ice cream? Let's make an ice cream cone. Use the plastic knife.
Oh!
We'll flatten the cone like that. Now some lines.
Yummy!
Now let's make the ice cream scoops. I'll start with the pistachio one. Wow. Alright, and now pink one. And we will call it the candy floss ice cream.
That's delicious!
Haha, it looks amazing! Should we have a yellow one as well? Yes, and we will call it the vanilla one. Ugh, this is buttery. Ugh, I'm struggling with this one. Oh, this is so different than the sandy one. Look at that. And we have a yellow one as well, the vanilla one. Just like that. Oh, look at this really nice ice cream.
Wow!
Okay, ice cream. Yay! Okay, what else? What else? So we have an ice cream in here. Marshmallows! Ah, marshmallows! Okay, I'm going to use this green.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
And pink, and I'm going to mix them up. So we have one pink ball in here and a green one. Let's just mix them up. Look at that.
Oh, I love it!
We will flatten them just like this.
Wow!
We'll make them longer.
Oh yeah!
And now let's imagine we will squeeze them and we'll roll them just like that. Oh, look at that!
Oh, wow!
Isn't this really interesting? Ah, look! It's like a marshmallow. Okay, let's make it more compact. Let's see, what if we do this?
Okie dokie!
Look at that. Oh, this looks nice.
Oh, wow!
More compact. Let's roll it, roll it, roll, 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 roll. And look at this marshmallow! Let's put it right here. We have a marshmallow in here. Now let's make a bunch of candies. We'll just make a big roll, and then we will cut this into tiny pieces and we will form them as candies. Let's cut this into 10 parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we don't need this. And now, look at that. First candy, 1 candy.
Perfect!
2 candies. 3 candies. 4 candies. 5 candies. 6 candies. 7 candies. 8 candies. 9 and 10. Look at that. And now we have 10 green candies. And now let's make 10 yellow candies.
Yummy!
I'm really struggling.
Oh yeah!
Ooh, that was really difficult. Okay, let's make this sausage. 1. This is really difficult. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
Bingo!
7. 8. Oh, come on. 9. And 10. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 yellow candies. Should we make them into tiny little balls or should we leave them like this? So candies can actually have any kind of shape. So we can leave them like this.
It's
Okay,
beautiful!
I will leave the green ones like this because they look really interesting. Look, they look like tiny pillows. They look like pillows, look. Oh, tiny pillows. And the yellow ones, let's make them into tiny little
Let's
balls.
do it!
That's delicious. Woohoo!
Wow!
So we have cookies in here, we have candies, marshmallows, candies again, and we have an ice cream. I need more of this color. How can I achieve this color? I'm going to mix some green with pink.
Bingo!
Mix it well. Look at that.
Wow!
Just a bit more pink. Okay, and let's make a cupcake. Cupcake. Okay, I'm going to use a bit of this. Green.
Okay.
So this would be like the paper. Now let's make the layers of the cupcake.
Yummy!
Good job.
Oh! And here we have a cupcake, and now I'll make a donut. Donut with sprinkles.
Yummy!
That's delicious!
And here we have a donut. And now let's make some jellies. Jelly worms.
Perfect!
Tiny little jelly worms.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
Okay, and now we're going to make a magic vanilla roll with sprinkles. Magic vanilla roll with sprinkles. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Looks like a snake. Okay, let's make the roll.
Good job.
Wow!
Woohoo!
Look at that. And we're going to add some sprinkles as well. That.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Oh, I love it!
Oh, look what I made using slime.
Wow!
Fluffy slime and buttery slime as well. I made a magical vanilla roll, or it can look like a giant candy with sprinkles, a cupcake in here, some jelly worms in here, a donut, some candies. They look like tiny little pillows, marshmallows,
Oh, wow!
giant ice cream with 3 different scoops, some yellow candies in here,
Okie dokie!
and these awesome cookies.
Oh,
Oh,
wow!
this was really great, and I can't wait to make some other sweets some other time. I hope you enjoyed it, and you should try to do this too.